Veteran showbiz insider Christy Fermin shared that her source revealed what happened between Kapamilya actor Daniel Padilla and Kyle Echari during the ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Rumor has it that a bugbugan incident happened at the annual Kapamilya event. Allegedly, Daniel's incognito co-star Richard Gutierrez and Kyle's best friend J.K. Labajo were also involved. Different versions of the stories have circulated online. Allegedly, the reason for the conflict between Daniel and Kyle was Catherine Bernardo. However, the sources of Christy Fermin stressed in the recent episode of her show Christy Ferminit that Catherine is out of the picture. The actress allegedly has nothing to do with what happened. According to Christy, her sources were near Daniel during the ball. The actor was quiet when suddenly, Kyle approached him. They were talking and at one point, Kyle's words got intense. During that time, it was said that JK was umaaligid-ligid and seemed to be encouraging a fight. Christy said that Richard Gutierrez saw this, and unexpectedly, the actor wanted to stop whatever could happen. Alam mo anong ginawa sa kanya, Richard, ni JK Labajo? Bakit ka nandito? Sabi niya, JK, anong gusto mo? Christy shared. The showbiz insider said that JK dared Richard. When Richard was about to take an action, security personnel arrived and stopped the commotion. Christy also shared that Richard's mother, Annabel Rama, only knew about the commotion when they went to the Sky Bar. With this, the Gutierrez matriarch was guarding her son. It was also said that Kyle approached Tita Annabel, and they talked in Bisaya. Richard's mother had no idea who Kyle was or that he was involved in the conflict earlier. Christy also shared that at one point, JK was able to go near Richard and was saying sorry while pang-ising-isi. Hinamon ulit si Richard, di nakita niya ang gusto niyang makita, di ba? Nasapul siya sa may ulo, Christy shared.